Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best vlogging cameras for beginners. Number 1. Saneen touchscreen. Capture stunning moments with a versatile 4K camera designed for photography enthusiasts and vloggers. Equipped with a powerful 64MP camera, this device offers incredible photo resolution options ranging from 64M to 8M, and video resolutions including 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, and more. Whether you're creating high-quality content or capturing everyday memories, it's easy to tailor the settings to meet your needs. This camera doubles as a webcam, making it perfect for video calls or live streaming. The built-in pause function allows seamless recording in a single file, so you can resume without interruptions. Stay connected with the Wi-Fi feature, which enables instant sharing of your photos and videos through your mobile phone. Additionally, the HDMI output allows you to connect to your TV and relive moments with family on a larger screen. Featuring a 4.0-inch touchscreen, the camera ensures effortless navigation and real-time framing. Its dual lens capability lets you switch easily to the front camera for selfies or vlogging. Lightweight and packed with features, it's ideal for creators looking for flexibility, convenience, and high performance in a single device. Start capturing and sharing your world with unmatched clarity and ease. Number 2. VETEK vlogging camera. This advanced digital camera is a perfect choice for photography and video enthusiasts, delivering 4K video resolution and 48MP photo quality. With features like 16x digital zoom, video pause, loop recording, silent recording, and a self-timer, it's equipped to handle a variety of creative projects. The upgraded chip ensures vibrant, high-definition images, making it an excellent gift for capturing life's special moments. For versatility, it includes detachable 52mm wide-angle and macro lenses, allowing you to switch seamlessly between capturing breathtaking landscapes and intricate details. The manual focus function enhances precision for crisp, professional-quality 4K photos. Quickly access modes like video and time-lapse using the intuitive top knob, making every shooting experience smooth and effortless. Connectivity is a breeze with USB and HDMI support. Transfer files using mass storage mode, stream content with PC camera, or connect directly to your HDTV, HDMI cable not included. The pause function allows uninterrupted recording within the same file, while 2 rechargeable batteries and charging support ensure extended usage. Built-in artistic filters add creativity to your photos and videos, making each shot unique and eye-catching. Lightweight, compact, and beginner-friendly, this camera is a reliable tool for aspiring creators. Number 3. YIGLLO vlogging camera. Capture life's most exciting moments with a 4K digital camera that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Equipped with the latest CMOS chip, it delivers stunning 48MP photos and 4K Ultra HD videos, even in low light, thanks to its built-in flash. The 3-inch 180° flip LCD screen ensures you can frame your shots perfectly, whether capturing selfies or vlogging. This camera supports advanced autofocus for fast, clear, and precise subject capture, unaffected by challenging lighting. The 16x digital zoom allows effortless adjustments for both photos and videos, letting you bring distant subjects into sharp focus with ease. For convenience, the camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a compact charging stand, perfect for travel or outdoor activities. The hot shoe mount expands its capabilities by connecting additional accessories like microphones and flashlights. Versatile functionality includes anti-shake, pause, continuous shooting, time-lapse, and slow-motion modes, making it suitable for every scenario. Use the built-in microphone for high-quality audio in video recordings or switch to webcam mode for live streaming, video calls, and online teaching. The HDMI output lets you share your creations directly on a TV. Compact, Portable and packed with features, this camera is your ultimate creative companion. Number 4. Gavonde Vlogging Camera. Capture stunning photos and videos effortlessly with this advanced digital camera designed for photography enthusiasts and vloggers. Featuring a 64MP sensor and UHD 4K video capabilities, it delivers breathtaking clarity and detail, perfect for capturing every memorable moment. With 3 focus modes, autofocus, manual focus, and fixed focus, you have the flexibility to tailor your settings to suit your creative needs, making it ideal for beginners. The built-in wireless Wi-Fi function enables instant sharing of your photos and videos directly from your smartphone. Use the webcam feature for live streaming, video calls, or online tutorials, supported by the included USB cable for both charging and data transfer. A 3-inch 180 degrees flip-up IPS screen allows easy framing for selfies and vlogging, while the 18x digital zoom brings your subjects closer. The high-brightness flash ensures excellent results even in low-light environments. With 4 photo modes and 4 video modes, including time-lapse and slow motion, this camera is packed with creative features. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. Complete with a 32GB TF card, 2 rechargeable batteries, a lanyard, and a carrying case, this versatile camera is your go-to companion for capturing and sharing your world. Number 5. VJIANGER Digital Zoom. Capture life's best moments with this 4K digital camera, offering exceptional 64MP resolution and a 3-inch flip screen for perfect framing. Whether you're recording videos or taking stunning photos, the 18x digital zoom provides the flexibility to focus in on your subject, while the built-in fill light ensures clear shots even in low-light environments. Equipped with an internal microphone and speaker, this camera also serves as a reliable vlogging tool, making it perfect for YouTube or content creation. Designed with convenience in mind, the camera features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing on social media. You can even control the camera remotely via an app, making it ideal for selfies or group shots. The camera doubles as a webcam, easily connecting to your PC via USB to enhance your live streams or video calls. Compact and lightweight, weighing only 9.8 ounces, this camera is perfect for travel or everyday use. It comes complete with essential accessories, including 2 batteries, a Type-C cable, a camera bag, and a lanyard. This affordable, multifunctional camera is a perfect gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.